Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Follow me in the kitchen. Let me show you how I prepare this delicious, moist, quick and easy pumpkin cornbread. Okay guys, so let's take a quick look at the ingredients. Here I have some half and half milk and cream. If you want to use buttermilk, you can. I have some cornmeal flour. I'll be using eggs. I have my pureed pumpkin, some granulated and brown sugar, butter, vanilla. I have baking soda, baking powder, and some cinnamon. So you always want to combine all of your dry ingredients first, mix well, and set aside. Then you do the same thing to the wet ingredients. Combine them all and set that aside as well. This helps to evenly distribute the ingredients and makes it easier when you want to combine them. Once all the wet ingredients are combined, you want to now add it to the dry ingredients. Mix well, but you don't want to over mix your batter. You just mix it until it's just combined. Once all the lumps and stuff are out and everything is well incorporated, you want to stop right there. You want to grease a baking dish, or if you want to use a cast iron, you put some butter in there and you want to transfer the butter into your baking dish. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Place it in there for about 30 minutes or so, or at least until you stick a skewer in the middle and it comes out clean. That's how you know it's done. Once your batter is in the oven, you want to combine some butter and some honey to pour over top once it's done. So now my cornbread is done. I am poking some holes in it so that when I pour my honey and butter mixture over top, it will soak up that yumminess. And you want to pour it over and let this cool down completely before digging in. Remember, I told y'all to allow this to cool down completely before digging in. Now, I don't even take my own advice. I started digging into it right away when it was still hot, just to get a video over and done with quickly. And once I dig into it, this is how it looked. More like a cakey texture. It was so moist, it was melting in your mouth. But once it cooled down and set, it became more like a cornbread texture. This is how it looked. Perfect. I hope you all give this recipe a try. It was delicious. And if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients down in the description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.